Hello everyone, welcome back to Bellaocity Travel with Trish, and today we are in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I may sound like I'm a little sick. I have been sick with bronchitis, so I'm still coughing and things like that. So today we had a grocery haul. Okay, so this is what we got, and I will tell you about the prices, okay, at the end. So you have to watch the video to the end to see, okay? All right, so we're gonna start with the first bag, okay? So we have some raisins, pepper, yogurt, chicken, cucumber, lettuce, another chicken. Oh, my vapes drops for my throat. We have some Gouda cheese, 2 packs of cashews, okay? So you bought 2 and you saved 20%, so 2 things of cashews, tomato, these are purple onions, this is garlic, and there's some garlic there, napkins, and then we have another bag, soy protein for someone, this is for Art, my boyfriend, and sunflower seeds. We have sandwich meat, all right, very good quality sandwich meat, and one is chicken and one is lean beef. Salt, we couldn't find like small salt, so we have a big thing of salt, which we don't use that much salt. Rice, Italian seasoning, coriander powder, soy sauce. I'm gonna make some stir fry, corn, this one is probiotic yogurt, this is peach, and then we have another one, strawberry. That's my water. That didn't come with that. Milk, natural green tea, Listerine. Okay, so we live in a building and there is a mall. We're on like the 50th something floor of this building, and right below us is the mall, and inside the mall there is a grocery store. So this is our second time going. This is our first time actually buying groceries. The first time we just bought like some stuff to make a sandwich and some water, okay? So we have a lot of things here, okay? So just a guesstimate, how much do you think this is? And for me, I don't like to go to countries and say, oh, this stuff is so cheap, because it's not cheap. For me, I feel like it's reasonable priced, okay? In the US, food is very expensive. I mean, you almost want to cry when you go to the grocery store or to the market. It's very expensive. So for me, this food is a reasonable price. I feel like we should be able to afford food to cook healthy dinners for our families and things like that. How much do you think this costs? Look at this. Oh, and the place is almost like Walmart. Okay, so the market is like Walmart. The market is called Mimi Zuzu Grocer. M-E-M-I-Z-O-O-Z-O-O-O. It has 3 O's. Okay, and it's Bloomsville. Okay, so just in case. All right, and believe it or not, I mean, some of this stuff we could get like at a local market and it would actually be a little cheaper. But I'm excited because we get to buy food and healthy stuff and stuff that we like, and we don't have to pay an arm and a leg. Okay, so grocery list. All right. So all of this stuff together was $54. $54 for all of this. And this store is like Walmart. You can buy food. You can buy. It has like a place where you can get like pharmaceutical stuff. They have stuff for the house. Um, a lot of stuff. It's not as big as Walmart, but I'm saying Walmart because it has like everything in it. Okay. So, and we've only been in Malaysia for, we came on Wednesday night. And unfortunately, because I have bronchitis, we haven't been able to do too much, but I want to make some videos. And I've been gone for a couple of months. I've been sick. And so now I'm still trying to recover, still having shortness of breath, so I'm not able to like walk around a lot and get a lot of footage and things like that. But I want to start making more videos for you guys, especially that we're here in Malaysia. Not sure how long we're gonna be here, but we came on Wednesday night, and the weather here is really nice. It's been raining every day, but excuse me. It rains, but not all day. Just like rains, like maybe for like an hour or so, and then it stops. But it actually cools it off because it's been like in the like low 90s here, and at night it's probably around 80 degrees. So the weather is pretty good. I'm okay with rainy season because you know there's not a lot of tourists and it doesn't rain like all day, so the weather is nice. But yeah, that's basically what's been going on. We flew from Batumi to here. The flight was 10 hours. We actually had a flight from Batumi, Georgia to Turkey, Istanbul, which was like an hour and a half. We had like a 2-hour layover, and then the flight from Istanbul, Turkey to Kuala Lumpur was 10 hours. The flight was a good flight. There wasn't a lot of turbulence or anything like that. The flight was full. We flew on Turkish Airlines, and very comfortable flight. And we had our transportation waiting for us. And I will do a separate video about the airport. There was some things in the airport that I want to make people aware of that you need to know. But we had, I always book a car from booking.com, and no, they're not sponsoring this. So someone can be at the airport waiting for us, so we don't have to worry about trying to find transportation to our apartment or our destination. But that's it for now. I know this is a very short video, but like I said, I'm still recovering from bronchitis, and hopefully within the next week I can start to bring some more things. We can start walking and show you guys the city and excuse me, our apartment. But thank you for tuning in to Bellaocity Travel. See you soon. So the total price for 30 items was 222.25 Malaysian ringgit, which comes up to about $52.44 USD. So that was the total price for all 30 items that is shown here in the picture, and that was in the video. So that was a good deal for all of these healthy choices in the market here in Malaysia.